How many of you would like a stress-free life? Thank you. How many of you would like a life with a lot more peace, joy, and happiness? Thank you. Just out of curiosity, is there anyone who does not want these things? Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj, and today the topic of the talk is freedom from stress. First of all, I would like to thank Rotary Club and its members for inviting me here. Thank you so much. Can we just have a round of applause for the wonderful organizing team? Thank you. Thank you for inviting me here. Secondly, I would like to thank each and every one of you for making it here. In spite of it being a Tuesday, a weekday, a working day, a lot of people run businesses, have jobs, have works, they've left their homes and kids, and you've come here to attend this talk. And for that, I'm really, really grateful for your presence. And I promise you that for the next 60 minutes, I'm going to give my everything, my 100%, to make sure that this, whatever you have invested, your time and energy is worthwhile. Please, a round of applause for yourself. Thank you so much. So in today's talk, we'll be covering three major things. We'll be looking at what exactly is stress. हम ये सब बोलते हैं stress. Hindi is okay, right? Hindi and English both. Okay. So we'll be understanding what stress is. We'll be trying to get a different perspective on stress. Also, we are going to help understand where does this stress actually come from? ये कहां से आता है? क्यों होता है stress? And the third thing that we are going to learn is what is our relationship with stress? What do we do when stress shows up? And how to change that? Now, why is it important to talk about stress? And as you know, as someone mentioned that there was a Rotary member who you just had a minor, like a major heart attack, and because of stress, right? Stress is really, really dangerous, and it can affect all aspects of your life, not just work. It can affect your work, your relationships, your health. Now imagine if you are free from stress. Imagine imagine you going into work, going into your relationship, going into wherever you are without stress, without that burden of stress. Who will show up? So that is what we're going to be covering today. So before I proceed, is it okay if I take some time to introduce myself and tell my story? Yes? 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 Thank you. मैं थोड़ा कम सुनता हूँ, तो I would like to, get some sound from here as well, right? So, sorry? Thank you. Thank you. So, as you all know, my name is Pankaj, and I'm a transformative coach. I help people gain different perspectives on their lives. Basically, when someone is suffering from anxiety, stress, overthinking, they are looking at their life in a particular way. And once that way is changed, once you get a different perspective on whatever is happening outside, your internal experience changes. And that's what I help people with. For I think more than almost a decade, I was suffering from depression, overthinking, something known as suicidal ideation, जहाँ पे I didn't want to kill myself, but I didn't want to be alive. And not to worry, I'm all okay now. But all of those experiences have helped me understand myself better. It pushed me towards seeking कि ये क्या है? What is actually happening within us? Why is this overthinking a problem? Why is stress a problem? And I'm really grateful for all of those experiences, which is why I'm here standing in front of you giving you this talk. Because there was a time when my anxiety was at such a high that before going on a trip, I would torture myself for a week कि मेरा ट्रेन क्रैश हो जाए, मेरा ट्रेन डीरेल हो जाएगा, what if my plane crashes, what if someone robs us, what if this, what if that, and I would torture myself because of overthinking. How many of you can relate to this in some way? You overthink about all the scenarios that ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है, ये हो जाए.
That's not structure, that is thinking.
Yes.
Thinking is not structure.
So once you understand that we are doing this, right? Once I understood whatever I'm going to talk about today is the understanding that I got, it completely shifted my life. And that is what I'm hoping to share. So I've made it my mission to help people alleviate their suffering and help them attain eternal bliss, peace, and joy. And that's what my mission is. That's why I'm here standing in front of you. So let's move on. So before I get to the talk, I just wanted to set some context, right? Now, I want all of you to do a small exercise, right? I want you to sit, like I want your body language to show that मैं जो भी बात कर रहा हूं बकवास है, मेरे को इससे सुनना ही नहीं है. वैसे बैठिए, right? Change your body language. ये क्या बकवास कर, मेरे को सुनना ही नहीं है. This is like completely silly, right? Please, wonderful. ये क्या बोलते जा रहा है ये वो, मेरे को नहीं सुनना है. वैसा बैठिए, wonderful. Awesome. All right. Now notice this. Notice what's happening. Now I want you to sit in a way that whatever I'm going to say next is going to change your life. Sit like that. Good. Be like this for the rest of the talk. You notice, we just don't listen with our ears. We listen with our entire body, right? When you're listening to someone, if आपके दिमाग में अरे यार खाना क्या है, मेरा I've left my door open, शायद मेरा गैस ऑन है क्या, जॉब में क्या हो रहा है, मेरा ये blah 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 blah, right? It happens. Now you might be hearing me, but you're not listening. What I request all of you to do for the next 55 minutes, just let that voice, let that little, that annoying thing, voice in your head, give it a rest. उसको आप साइड में रख दीजिए. And listen to me just like you're listening to music. Right? Is that okay?
Yes.
Right. So, why? Because have you ever noticed कि जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, when you're talking to someone, and you know that they are just waiting to respond. Yeah, उनके दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है, and they're just waiting for you to stop talking so that they can respond. Has anyone experienced this? Yeah, right. And you know it. And sometimes even you do it. Someone is talking to you, but you are in your head waiting for that person to stop. मेरे को ये बोलना, मेरे को वो बोलना, मेरे को ये. And you miss out so much. Right? So I request you to not agree with me or argue with me. In fact, don't believe a single thing I say. Don't. But if I say something and something resonates within you, if it comes within you in the form of insight, listen to that. Because change only happens when something within you speaks to you. I'll give you a simple example. How many of you know that working out every day is really good for your health? How many of you believe that working out every day is good for my health? No? Yeah? See, again, I'm not going to, I'm going to just hold it till you respond. Yeah? Super. So almost 99% of you believe that? Okay. How many of you actually work out every day?
3 days ago. 3 days ago.
Yeah.
It is, it is.
So, right? Now, notice about 99% of you believe that working out every day is good for the body. But hardly 50%, 40% do it. Why? Right? Somewhere it's just an idea. Somewhere you've just not accepted it. You don't know it. Once you really find it important, nothing can stop you from working out. But that can only come from within. It can only come if your heart really tells, "Arey yaar, ab to jana hi pade." It seems silly not to work out. Right? And that is what we are trying to achieve today. At the end of the talk, what if it feels silly to be stressed? How many of you would like that? It'll feel silly, stupid. And you realize we don't do things that we find silly. We don't do things that we find stupid. And the moment you find something stupid, you don't do it. Right? So, the way I want you to listen to me is to look for insight, not information. And I'm not here to give you advice, to give you techniques कि आप ये करो, सुबह उठ के 15 मिनट ध्यान करो, 5 मिनट एक पांव पे खड़े रहो. No, because none of that works. What we are going to do today is try to understand stress. So who's ready? Right? Awesome. Thank you. All right. So now, can someone tell me what is stress? Stress क्या है? Overthinking.
Abnormal condition happening in the body.
Abnormal condition happening in the body. Anyone?
Anti-elements.
Anti-elements. Okay. Chalo, let's try something. In a moment, I am going to randomly pick one person to come here and speak on any topic for 5 minutes.
That is stress.
Right? How many of you actually experienced stress? Truly? No? Right? Can you explain what happened? What was the experience? As I said, यहाँ पे आके बात करना. And you can relax. I'm not going to ask you to come. Few people तो ready भी हो गए. आ जा, मैं बात कर लेता. Right? You see, the same thing, but half of the people got stressed, half of the people got excited. They're like, oh, chalo yaar, baat kar le. Right? Can someone explain what happened when I said that?
Someone likes to speak, he enjoys, so he's ready to. And someone doesn't like, so he gets stressed.
Yes.
Doesn't like.
So
personal life.
you liked it.
We like it.
Right.
We are ready for that.
दुनिया में
Super.
सबसे बड़ा stress आके माइक में बात करना ही है स्ट्रेस दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेस वही है
Yes. So
That is
fear, right?
Stage fear.
Stage fear. So there was an experience of fear, mic fear. Sir bole ki like people who are excited, who are confident, he did not find any. He was excited. But can someone else tell me who experienced कि यार मुझे ना बुला दे? What was your experience? Can you share, please, in 1 or 2 words? Getting scared. Right? So immediately your mind went like, अरे यार मुझे ना पकड़ ले. What will I say? I'm like really scared. Stage fear of the mic. Right? So if you look at stress, right? Stress is a physical sensation within your body. It's it's something that happens and it's different for everyone. For someone it shows up in the form of heart. यहाँ पे heaviness हो गया, यहाँ पे gut tight हो गया, right? गला सूख जाता है, हाथ पांव ठंडे हो गए, बॉडी वाइब्रेट हो गया, पेट गड़बड़ करने लग जाता है. सर बोल रहे मैं तो बाहर निकल रहा था, फोन बात करने के बहाने बाहर जा रहे थे वो. सॉरी, right? For everyone there is a different experience, right? So now what, I'll just let them settle. You can carry it? Yeah. All right. So, as you all mentioned, हाथ पांव ठंडे होना, पेट गड़बड़ करना, right? एक गला सूखना, all of these are different manifestations of stress. And it's a physical manifestation. Physically आपको मालूम पड़ रहा है कि कुछ ठीक नहीं है. Some discomfort. So, can I call it an internal disturbance?
Yes.
Right? Like sir said, it's an internal disturbance. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Right? Now, if we really try and understand our body, right? Our body takes care of our digestion. It takes care of our blood circulation. It takes care of our sleep. It takes care of our immunity. It does so much for us. It does so much, and हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. Does anyone control their blood circulation by any chance? Does anyone control their breathing and the oxygen getting converted into carbon dioxide and the right?
No control.
No control. Now our body does so much for us. So there must be a reason why it creates discomfort as well. Right? It must be. It's not there to make your life hell. How many of you feel that stress बहुत बुरी चीज है यार, मुझे निकालना है मेरे लाइफ से? Stress is the enemy. How many of you feel that way? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So I'm here, I'm going to tell you something that might just change the way you think about stress. It is not the enemy. Stress is not the enemy. your body takes care of your digestion, it takes care of your circulation, it takes care of everything, why will it create something to harm you? There is a reason for that. And we are going to explore that reason now. Okay. So, the next, we are going to talk about what actually causes stress, right? And I just want to do a small experiment again. Okay? So, can everyone do this? Yeah. This, right? So this is a mood meter. This is your mood meter. And this is you when you are in the best mood ever. मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं किसी को भी, राइट? दुखने तो चलेगा, थोड़ा वर्कआउट कीजिए, राइट? So this is the best mood you were in ever. Go down. This, right? This is the worst mood you were in ever. Okay? So this is the mood meter. फिर से कीजिए, best mood ever, worst mood ever. Right? This is the mood meter. समझ गए आप लोग? Right? Now, I want you to just take a moment and just assess right now how is your mood from low to high or in between. Where is it? And just keep it there. Just assess. Take a moment and assess. अभी मेरा mood कैसा है? How am I feeling? Right? If you're at the best ever here, right in the middle, just hold it there, please. Everyone. हाँ. बीच में किसी का ऊपर है. Yeah. So show it. Yeah. If you're really enjoying it, show it. If you're okay. If you're like क्या सड़ा रहा है यार ये, चलेगा. Right? Now just look around and notice everyone is at different levels. Right? Every one of you is experiencing this reality differently. किसी का मूड अच्छा है, किसी का बहुत अच्छा है, उनको दुखने लग गया तो शायद उनका खराब भी रहेगा. Right? मूड अच्छा है. Right? So our reality, it's very similar to, has this ever happened कि आप एक मूवी देखने गए आपके फ्रेंड के साथ और आपको मूवी इतनी मस्त लगी, अरे यार मजा आ गया इतना, और you can't wait for the movie to end so that you can talk to your friend and tell him wow क्या मूवी था ना, and the movie gets over and you turn to your friend, अरे यार क्या मूवी था, बोलता क्या बकवास मूवी है यार. How many of you have experienced this? Right? Now, the movie is the same, but your internal experience is different. And it is that way all the time. सर बोल रहे हैं जानबूझ के बोलता है, तो उसके साथ मूवी जाना बेकार है फिर. बट इसलिए जाते नहीं सबके पास होता है वो क्रिटिक, राइट? बट इफ यू रियली अंडरस्टैंड, if you look at stress, right? Are there situations where you get really stressed and someone else does not get stressed in the same situation? Have you ever experienced that? Right? There is a situation जहां पे आपको बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है.
जिसको अफेक्ट होता है उसके होता है, बाजू वाला कैसे होएगा? नहीं होएगा.
Right? Now, एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. आप गाड़ी चला के जा रहे हैं, right? And someone तो ये आपको कट करके चले गया, right? And one day you are irritated. You started, गाली देना स्टार्ट कर दिए उसको, ये कर रहे वो कर रहे हैं, you right? And on some other day the same thing happens, but you're like छोड़ यार जाने दे. Has this ever happened? Right? Now if you understand that our internal experience, हमको जो feel होता है, is completely independent of what is happening outside. And I know a lot of you have already gone into your heads and like, नहीं यार ये तो गलत है यार, मेरे साथ जो हो रहा है वो मुझे पता है कि it's causing my stress. How many of you are actually thinking that? Yes, because that is the illusion. If you really understand this, you will be free from stress. Because the major problem with stress is that we think it is coming from the outside. We think that it is our kids that is causing our stress. It is the business that is causing the stress. It is my friend talking to me in a mean way causing my stress. ये वो कर रहा ये. If that is the case, then you have to be stressed all the time. Is anyone here stressed all the time, 24/7, even while sleeping?
One person.
24/7?
One person. 24 by sleeping. Because of rotary. मतलब कि आप rotary ले stress
Right. Even if you think you are stressed 24/7, I'm going to tell you it's not possible. Are you stressed when you're taking a shower? Are you stressed when you're cooking? Are you stressed when you're sleeping? You're sleeping, how can you be stressed? अंकल अगर आपको अगर नींद नहीं आया 7 दिन तक तो आप यहाँ जिंदा नहीं रहते. नींद तो आता ही है 2 घंटा एटलीस्ट. Right? Yes. Again. Yes. Now, if you think that your stress is coming from the outside, of course you're going to feel stressed. Right? Again, I don't want you to agree with me or argue with me. Experiment. Take your own decision. Now, I'll tell you why this is important. Why it's so important to understand where stress comes from. How many of you like roller coasters? मजा आता है roller coaster. Right? Okay. So, right now, a roller coaster is quite a stressful experience for a lot of people. Right? Okay. Now imagine you're sitting in a car and that car is being driven by a drunk driver. The driver is completely drunk. He's gone, sloshed, he's driving full speed and you're sitting at the back seat. Will you be stressed? How many of you will be stressed in that? Right? Okay. Cool. Right? Now, remember that stress is there. Now, imagine that you're sitting in a roller coaster. And the roller coaster is really like, बोले जैसे ऊपर से नीचे हिला देता है. It's going round and round and left and right and there are sharp dives, everything. How many of you will feel stress in a roller coaster? Right? A lot of people enjoy, but there is थोड़ा सा वो एक धक थोड़ा सा stress. Now out of these two, which one would you choose? Is there anyone who would choose being driven by a drunk driver just to?
सेफ्टी है, उधर भी है, इसमें सेफ्टी नहीं है, वो तो ठोक देगा तो जान चल जाएगा.
Exactly. So please understand one thing. This is an analogy. I'm not actually going to make you sit. Right? Understand that the reason why you choose the roller coaster is because you know deep down that everything is controlled. जितना भी ऊपर नीचे लेके जाएगा, घुमाएगा, फिराएगा, आके ये रुकेगा. It will stop. It is safe, and you actually end up enjoying that stress. You end up enjoying that stress. Stress is there, but you're enjoying it. When you're sitting behind a drunk driver, you're completely stressed, Because you are not in control. You don't have any control. ये क्या करेगा पागल आदमी पता नहीं. And because of that, what you are experiencing as stress feels really, really different than when you are in a roller coaster. And that is the difference between understanding that if you understand that the stress is not coming from the outside, because can you control what happens outside you? Anyone here? No one. You can't control your children, your spouse, your employees, your customers, your friends. You can't control anything. And if you believe that that is where your stress is coming from, is your stress going to be is it going to be under control? No. But that's what we keep doing. We keep misunderstanding that our stress is coming from my child and I'm going to control my child and make him do this and do that, but it doesn't help. We think our stress is coming from the business, so we give everything to the business. ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, पैसा कमा लिया, सब कर लिया, but stress साला जा ही नहीं रहा है. Because you are looking in the wrong direction. Now, just a few minutes back, I did a small experiment where I said randomly I'm going to ask someone to talk. And a lot of people got stressed, right? A lot of people got excited. Some internal experience happened. What do you think caused that internal experience? Anyone?
Opportunity.
No, how did you said fear, right? Why was that fear created? How did it get created?
Because you are thinking about
Right, he's hit it on the nail.
something we don't like.
Yes.
Our thoughts, that's the important because
Right.
if we think negative or positive about the thing, then we get stressed.
Right. You started thinking, what will I do? मैं mic पकड़ूंगा, मैं हाथ धूजेंगे, ये होगा. Right. You started creating scenarios in your head. How many of you are with me right now? I can repeat it. Is this clear? You create scenarios. Picture चल रही है दिमाग में 24/7. If you are stressed 24/7, you are watching a movie 24/7 because life is not stressful. Please open your eyes and understand. अभी किसी को stress है business का? Right now? Right now, are you stressed? Why? Because you are not. You are here. He is here in the present. A lot of times, we are fantastic time travelers. Time travelers मालूम है? हम बैठे यहाँ पे हैं, but हमारा दिमाग हमारे ऑफिस में है, हमारे किचन में है, 10 साल पहले जो हुआ वहां है, कल क्या होगा वहां है. How many of you agree this happens?
आपको भी होता है, आपको भी होता है.
सबको होता है. It's a human situation. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ just because I know how fevers work does not mean I won't get fever.
वो कंट्रोल हो गए तो इंगानी हो जाएंगे.
So आपको करना है कंट्रोल.
आपने पहले नेगेटिव बोल दिया.
So again, now immediately sir का एक क्वेश्चन आया है, right? कि ये होता है, माइंड आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जाता है, तो उसको कंट्रोल कैसे करें? हमारा प्रॉब्लम यही है. हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम कोई भी चीज को इमीडिएटली कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं, झगड़ा करना चाहते हैं. तू आ मेरे नीचे आ, तू प्यार से. That is why my third part, the third section of my talk is changing your relationship with stress. Now, ठीक है, like all okay? Right? Can someone give me the time, please? कितना time है? Okay, okay, right.
ये सब्जेक्ट
So,
I guess decision है
are you guys having fun? Yeah? Thank you. देखिए, again, the reason why I'm talking about this way is change जो है ना, लाइफ में अगर कुछ भी चेंज करना है, एनीथिंग, जनरली हमको क्या लगता है कि हम बहुत बड़ा स्टेप लेना है. अगर हमको वर्कआउट करना है, कल से मैं 100 किलोमीटर भागना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, कल से 8 घंटे वर्कआउट करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, कल से सब बंद, ऑल ऑयल आइटम को ये वो सब बंद, सब कचरा बंद. बट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, इट नेवर वर्क्स दैट वे. चेंज ऑलवेज हैपेंस small steps. If from this talk, even if you take one idea, one insight, it can change the trajectory of your life. Simple example, if a flight is taking off from Chennai and it's going towards Mumbai, as it is taking off, if there is a 5-degree shift, if there is a 5-degree turn in the trajectory, it will reach somewhere next to New Delhi. That's how efficient, that's how a small change can bring a huge impact, a compounded impact over the long term.
गाड़ी पेट में डर मारी कैसे भी चलाने दो.
So, so that's why अगर आप अभी भी आपका दिमाग कहीं और जा रहा है, उसको जाने दो. बट द मोमेंट यू रियलाइज, अरे यार ये गया, यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू कैन ब्रिंग योर फोकस बैक. इसीलिए सर कंट्रोल नहीं करना है, अवेयरनेस लाना है. We have to bring awareness into our lives. Awareness मतलब क्या है? Become a watchman. The moment you start seeing the thoughts. Abhi, we go to movies, right? How many of you enjoy movies? I am guessing all of them, yeah, right? Now, when a movie is playing and there is a really emotional scene, रोना आता है, राइट? मैं तो थोड़े दिन पहले केतरी जी देखा, फुल अकेले बैठ के पूरा रो ही रहा था. मुझे तो बहुत रोना आता है, स्पेशली वो जया बहादुरी और वो शाहरुख खान का सीन जहाँ वो दिवाली पे वो मूर्ति है, full waterworks. But when you're watching the movie and you're feeling those emotions, does it actually affect you? No, right? Why? हाँ?
वो क्या पिक्चर में जो एक्टिंग करता है वो गुस्सा करता है तो रियल थोड़ी गुस्सा करता है, वो ऐसे ही है.
Right. So somewhere you understand that आप पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, कुछ चल रहा है स्क्रीन पे, प्रोजेक्टर लगा है, ये सच में नहीं हो रहा है. Not a reality. It is something that's just playing on the screen.
सीरियल देख के रोते हैं लोग, आप पिक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं, सीरियल देख के रोते हैं लोग.
Right? Sir, वो रोने में भी एक मजा है. मैं लेडीज को क्या बोलूं सर, मैं खुद ही रोता हूं, क्योंकि वो रोने में एक मजा है, वो इन्वॉल्वमेंट में एक मजा है. Because for a moment we forget. अगर बॉर्डर चल रही है, जंग चल रहा है, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान, हमारे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, मार उसको, डर भी लगता है, राइट? बट जब आप कोई डरावनी मूवी देख रहे हैं, डू यू जंप आउट ऑफ द सीट एंड गो हाइड बिहाइंड द थिएटर, बिहाइंड द सीट? You get scared. You close your eyes, but you don't You don't run out of the theater, right? Right? Why? Somewhere deep down you understand that it is just a movie. ये पिक्चर चल रही है. Even though you're feeling stressed, you don't worry about the stress. Now, stress is not the enemy. It is the stress about the stress that causes the problem. When you get stressed, you immediately feel, अरे मुझे बहुत stress हो रहा है. क्यों stress हो रहा है? Right? The stress about the stress is the problem. Now, how many of you have nightmares? बुरे सपने? सिर्फ मुझे आते कभी कभी आते. तो जब वो सपने में ज़ॉम्बी या कोई ड्रैक्युला आपके पीछे भाग रहा है तो रियल लगता है ना, राइट?
चिल्ला भी लगता है
रियल लगता है. योर हार्ट बीट इंक्रीजेस.
भैया मिस्टर गीला हो जाता है.
राइट. नाउ जब आप सपना देख रहे हैं, राइट, बुरा सपना देख रहे हैं, आपका हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो रहा है. Okay, right? Now the Dracula is following you and you're jumping from this building and you're flying towards your death. What happens? You wake up, right? Right?
भैया ऐसा लगता है जैसे दोनों हाथ पकड़ लिए, दोनों पाँव पकड़ लिए, मैं उठ नहीं सकता.
Right? But फिर आप जब जगते हैं,
फिर एकदम नौकार मंत्री आ जाता है, जगता
right? Now, when you wake up from the nightmare, do you go to therapy? Do you go and go to a doctor and तुम उनको पूछते हो क्या, अरे यार मेरे को बहुत घबराहट हो रही है, मुझे इससे बचाओ, ये बहुत स्ट्रेस हो गया मुझे? No, because you realize कि सपना था. It was not real. It was just something that was happening in my head. A movie playing in my head. Now, the wonderful thing is, हम सुबह होते ही, all throughout the day, we are dreaming with our eyes open. 24 hours throughout the day हमारे दिमाग में पिक्चर चल रही है.
बोला जी सपना देखो.
So, if you actually understand that, we call it thinking. When you have these images playing in your head, for example, when I said, please come and speak, who all saw an image of themselves shivering? Anyone? Right? Some image came up. How many of you have had a disturbing event in the past which you replay again and again in your head? How many? No, just me? Right?
Everyone has.
Yeah.
Nobody's accepting it.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay if you don't accept to me, but understand that that event has happened. That event जो आपको किसी ने गाली दी या किसी ने आपको धोखा दिया या किसी ने आपको बुरा भला बोला, that event has happened. But you are running that movie in your mind again and again and again, just like a nightmare. And the moment you realize that, you are free. You don't have to control. The moment you realize that this is my thinking, the thinking settles. How many of you have experienced कि दिमाग में गाना अटका हुआ है? कभी अटक जाता है गाना? रिकॉर्ड की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, जुबान पे अटकी हुई है गाना कभी होता है, परेशान हो जाते हैं, ये क्या है यार, ये गाना प्ले होते जा रहा है, राइट? नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू विद दैट? हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग चलते रहता है, एक परेशान भी हो जाते हैं।
ऑपरेशन तो नहीं होते,
मैं तो हो जाता हूँ। Right. So when a song gets stuck in your head, how do you remove it?
दूसरा करना
You either change the song, right?
या तो दूसरा स्ट्रेस लेना।
So understand that the only way to not remove the song is by trying to remove the song. आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं ये निकल जाना गाना,
ऑटोमेटिक चला जाएगा।
Exactly my point. Automatic चले जाएगा. This is why I'm telling you कि thoughts को control करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. The moment you take your focus away from your thoughts, not diversion in a way, but understanding that ये thought अभी आया है, ये picture अभी चलने लग गई है, but I don't have to watch it. I don't have to pay attention to the thought. Ignore. Not ignore. Right? बहुत हम लोग क्या, जब हम कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते हैं, हम मुझे नहीं सोचना है, ये नहीं सोचना है, ये नहीं सोचना है. So ये जब मैं कर रहा हूं, where is my attention? That is the difference. I am not talking about this. I am talking about चलने दे, मैं मेरा दूसरा काम कर रहा हूं. Right? Your attention is like a magnifying glass. जब धूप है and you get a magnifying glass, what happens? The sunlight gets magnified into a ray and you can burn, you can build a fire from it. आग लगा सकते हैं. Your attention is something like that. The moment you understand this, and that's why I'm saying understanding is key. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to understand कि if this thought has come, it means this thought will also go. All I have to do is not try anything. That is why when stress shows up, and your relationship with stress is that of the roller coaster, कि oh my god ये शुरू हो गया यार, roller coaster, ये हो गया, loss हो गया ये, and you're going through the roller coaster, but understanding that ये roller coaster रुकेगा. तो आपको, you can, I would say you can enjoy your stress. If you reach a state where you are enjoying the stress, imagine what will happen. I'm not saying enjoying like ha ha he hasna, but there is a sense of acceptance. ठीक है, अभी मैं stressed हूँ. I am going to sit, relax, maybe watch some TV. This is not the right state for me to take a life-changing decision. It is not a right state for me to do anything, because when you get stressed, your IQ drops. If you just remember this alone can change your life. So we'll just do a small experiential exercise. I want all of you to just sit in a relaxed way. Just sit in a relaxed way. right? You can close your eyes if you want to or keep it open, does not matter for this exercise. But as much as possible, I want you to let go of all your thinking. Just drop everything. जो भी आप सोच रहे हैं, just let everything fall. And you can pick it up later. फिर से आप सोच सकते हैं, कोई आपको रोकने वाला नहीं. But for now, just relax. So, as you are experiencing this, you'll notice that some thoughts are coming and going. Let them come, let them go. You don't have to evaluate, you don't have to judge, you don't have to sift through anything. Just let the thoughts go by. जैसे एक स्काई में clouds, they keep passing. Just let them go. And I want you to go into this feeling. How many of you are experiencing a sort of silence? Yeah. Right? This is our natural state. This is your state without the contamination of thought. Now, as you start thinking about things, you'll realize that the tension begins. The stress shows up. The stress is actually because of all this contamination. If you become a master of letting it go as much as you can, you'll be free from stress. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful audience.
Thank you, Mr. Pankaj Bokadia, for showing us that picture is going on. You want to see it, see it. You don't want to see it, don't see it. It is up to you whether you want to take stress inside or you want to just let it go. So simple way you told it, and we all convey our sincere thanks from everybody. Since time is less, we have to do the billing of the members also. So I would request, yes.
This was some practical like some crowd, so there's a question. Sir, brother, just flush it off. We'll clear all the things. Fine. How to flush?
Sir, you are the
So I can answer it, but आपको late. I can answer it. So how much time do we have?
We have 5 minutes.
Okay. So how many of you here stop yourself from drinking rat poison? How many of you here stop yourself from drinking rat poison every day? Do you? You have to tell yourself कि rat poison नहीं पीना है, rat poison नहीं पीना. No, you know that rat poison नहीं पीना है. Right? Now, when you understand, जब आपको समझ आता है कि पकड़ के रखने में मेरा फायदा नहीं है, तो आप नेचुरली क्या करेंगे? फ्लश कर देंगे. Right? Now, that understanding can only come from within. Right? कोई आपको बता नहीं सकता है कैसे फ्लश करना है.
Thoughts are like water. If you retain it, वो सड़ जाएगा और इसको चलते रहने दो तो पवित्र रहेगा. Now I would request Gautam ji to felicitate Mr. Pankaj Bokadia. Please come.
स्ट्रेस फ्री को बाजू में रखता हूँ इसके लिए दूर बैठेगा तो स्ट्रेस आ जाता है
वो पास में रहवा हूँ कोनी आवे वो हटो सोच पाऊँ आवे
ये 1 घंटा स्पीच में तो मेरे को लगता है 100 बार तो स्ट्रेस बोल दिया आज तक 6 महीना में भी एक बार स्ट्रेस करके रीडिंग नहीं सुनता हूँ मैं 1 घंटा में 100 बार सुन लिया कोई स्ट्रेस हो गया
सबने स्ट्रेस हो जी
anyway a fantastic speaker today bringing by our president thank you very much हम लोग 60-65 ईयर का जितना एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ है सब 1 घंटा में ये उम्र में हमको बता दिया है एंड वन मोर थिंग ये जो 1 घंटा का आप स्पीच जो सुने हैं ये आके कौन स्पीच देता है मैत्री कौन देता है मात्रिया 10 लाख 15 लाख देके अपन जाते हैं रियल बात बोल रहा हूँ हाँ रियल बात बोल रहा हूँ 10 लाख 15 लाख फीस का उसका पूरा सारांश ये पूरा 6 महीना का कोर्स का 1 घंटा में बता दिया रियल बात नहीं एक्सपीरियंस एक वर्ड आप सुन रहे हैं इससे फैंटास्टिक स्पीकर सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद फ्रॉम Rotary Club of Noble Arts
Thank you.
coming here and give a very stressful speech.
Thank you Gautam ji for making the mood of the members. Now since we have